For years, 1,000 psi was the industry norm. That high pressure simply atomized water, creating mist clouds and sprayback. Unsanitary, uncomfortable, and inefficient. Meet the Deuce by Pumptec, a breakthrough system that replaces outdated pressure with smarter cleaning impact. The Deuce delivers larger water droplets at just 150 psi, but with greater force. It hits harder and cleans better from a distance. But the Deuce doesn't stop at washdown. It also fills portable units with 5 gallons of water in under a minute, eliminating the need for heavy buckets and cutting the time, strain, and liability of every job. It's built for the real world. That means faster routes, fewer injuries, and more portables service per day. The Deuce by Pumptec. For techs, it's a better tool, and for the industry, it's a smarter standard.